मेर्शे हायवेचेर आयतारा सकाळीं 11:15च्या अदमासाक अपघात जालो। 3 वरां येरादारी आडून उरली। सकाळीं 11:15 एका गाडयेन मोटरसायकलवाल्याक वाचोवपाच्या यत्नांत लायटीच्या खांब्याक धपको दिलो। ह्या धपक्यान लायटीच्यो सरयो खांब्या सयत रस्त्यार पडल्यो। दनपारची 2:30 जाली तरी अपघातांतल्यो गाडी आनी लायटीच्यो सरयो कुशीन काडूंक लोकांक वाट दिवपाक प्रशासनाक अपेस आयले। उजो पालोवपी दळाची गाडी 2:30 घडणूक थळाचेर पावली। सांताक्रुजाचे आमदार टोनी फर्नांडीसय घडणूक थळाचेर पाविल्ले। ह्या वेळार लोकांनी सरकाराचेर टिका केली। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।
तो अचानक हाईवे पर आने के बाद में एक स्टंटबाजी करने वाला टू व्हीलर वो आगे से आया, हम लोगों को ओवरटेक किया। ओवरटेक करने के बाद में हम लोगों को आगे से क्रॉस किया। आगे से क्रॉस करने के आने पर वो अचानक बीच में आने की वजह से तो ड्राइवर ने उसको बचाने के जाने के लिए क्रॉस मार दिया। क्रॉस मारने के बाद में ये जो आपका इलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट है ना, तो बरोबर वो सेंट्रल लाइन है ना वाइट कलर, उसको बीचों बीच है। तो ना हमको ड्राइवर को स्पेस मिला कि उसको बचाएं, उसको भी तो बचा लिया, लेकिन हम लोग सेफ्टी नहीं रह गए। हम लोग 6 मेंबर थे, तो डाम को डैश मार दिया। डैश मारने बाद में इलेक्ट्रिक बोर्ड गिर गया नीचे। जैसे ही गिरने लगा वैसे हम लोग बाहर आ गए।
It is sad that we don't have proper equipment to handle such a situation. An accident has taken place at 11:45 and till 2:15 we are struggling to clear the lines. There is no electrical engineer on site. There is nobody to guide the cops because the cops are not technically sound. The electrical engineer should have been immediately on site. That disaster management cell should have been activated. Can the government prepare a system whereby such disasters can be tackled professionally? I'm trying to tell the cops, please call the fire brigade, because the fire brigade is equipped with all other technical equipment. Here now everybody is becoming an engineer. Even the locals are assisting here. So while even assisting them, if that cable falls on somebody, he can get injured.
But there's no proper management committee as to how to remove and what to do. So everyone wants to do it their way, but it cannot happen like that. From 11:45 to around 2:30, now it's still not cleared. Now they have cleared up. Now for 3 hours the whole traffic was stopped. They have diverted the traffic. The police has
Fire brigade has come now.
And now the fire brigade has come. See,
you can see that fire brigade is come.
After 3 hours.
Now. Accidents are upon, there should be some precautions along with the electricity and the PWD, National Highway Authority. So what has happened here? आता road winding करता, road winding करता थोडे आंबे रस्त्यार मध्ये. What is my say? When you are constructing a highway, the highway traffic police should be there. But today nobody was there, and that is why it has been delayed for about 3 hours. But the greatest thing, we have to thank Almighty God, there is no casualty. त्यांना वो गाडी डॅमेज तिकीट मारली, त्यांना आंबो स्लो देवंक लागलो होतो. देवता म्हणून त्यांनी गाडी सोडली आणि ते लोकांनी भितरल्या बाहेर सोडली ती. But my request to the concerned authorities, don't wait for such a things. First remove the poles at the side and then construct the road. Otherwise do something here where this stretch is very dangerous stretch. आता तरी सिग्नल काढल्या, but still at the crossing side it is not proper. त्यापासून कितें हिंगा सर्वीस रोडूय जावचे आणि तशेंच हिंगा बॅरिकेड्स घालून हायवे सारकी सेपरेट करची.
Now this is the third accident. 3 poles have been taken down by 3 vehicles. Unfortunate. But when are the authorities going to actually get into action mode and clear these poles? These poles are going to cause accidents, but they're also going to cause hardship because there's no power now for people. So these are small things which the government can do to relieve the hardships of the people.